Hi everybody. Today I'll show you how to scan Instagram QR code. Let's just begin. So to scan the Instagram through the QR code, what we can do, we can scan this by using our camera in the phone. So we're gonna jump back to our camera here, and from here I would like to scan my QR code. I'm gonna tap on this, and you will be able to see that we are redirected to our Instagram account. So this is the one way of doing it. But if you don't want to get out from the Instagram, there is another way of doing it, which is pretty simple. You can simply tap on the share profile here. And what you have to do, you can see the icon on the top right side with the four squares. Okay, so we're gonna tap on this. And from here, we're also able to scan Instagram QR code as well. So I'm gonna scan the QR code again, and you'll be able to see I can also view the profile from here as well. I'm going to tap on profile, and you'll be able to see the profile as well. So this is how we can scan Instagram QR code. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.